Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Midiamart Classic TV. Now, today I'm going to take you through the process of how you can link your PayPal account to the Mpesa. Now, one thing you are supposed to know here is that there are people who make mistakes when it comes to this. You are supposed to make sure that your PayPal account corresponds with that of Mpesa. I mean, the names of M-Pesa are supposed to correspond with that of PayPal. If you make a mistake of putting different names so that you can withdraw the money, it will be difficult for you. So all you have to do is that when you are registering for your PayPal account, the names are supposed to correspond with your names of M-Pesa. For example, when you are opening a PayPal account using someone's details, like maybe your mother's ID or your father's ID or your friend's ID, and you are hoping to withdraw the money from that PayPal, it will be very difficult. So the only thing you have to do is that when you are opening a PayPal account, it's supposed to have your names, the one that you have registered with M-Pesa. So don't complicate issues. All you have to do is that the names of PayPal are supposed to correspond with that of M-Pesa so that the transaction will be easier for you. Now, at this point, I'm sure that you have a PayPal account, and the only thing you are trying to do, and maybe you are finding it difficult, is for you to link it with M-Pesa. So don't worry, I'm going to take you through that exercise. So if you have a PayPal account already, all you have to do is that I'm going to leave a link for this page where it will enable you to come up here so that you can be able to link your PayPal account with M-Pesa. So once you are here, you have to come and click link accounts. Then once you click on link accounts, there's another page that will open up. And in this page, they'll say, welcome to PayPal mobile money service with M-Pesa. Now, all you have to do here is that you need to click get started. Hit get started, and then a small window will open down here, whereby you will be able to key in your details of PayPal. Now, here, as you can see, I already have a PayPal account linked to this particular M-Pesa account. So all I have to do on my case is that I have to click continue. And if yours is not linked to M-Pesa, it will ask you to key in your email address, and you put the password that you used for PayPal. Then from there you click sign in. And for my case, it's because I already linked my PayPal account with M-Pesa. So what I'm supposed to do right now is just to click continue. It will now ask me either to withdraw the money or to top up to PayPal. For example, if you want to send the money from M-Pesa to PayPal, it is very possible. So in the next video, I will show you how you can top up the money from M-Pesa to PayPal. But now you are supposed to know how you can link your M-Pesa, your PayPal account with M-Pesa so that you can be able to withdraw your cash. So you can see here they have said withdraw from PayPal. You can just click on withdraw from PayPal, and once you click on withdraw from PayPal, it means it will take you direct to the PayPal account where your money is, and there's a bar that will be able to key in the kind of money that you want to withdraw, and then from there you click withdraw. So here, I have to come and click on withdraw from PayPal. And once you hit here, you will see that please enter the amount you would like to withdraw from your PayPal account. And once you enter the amount in US dollar, which means it will convert the amount that you enter here, it will convert immediately, and it will show you how much you are supposed to get. And here they have given you the notice. Please note that the maximum amount per transaction is 150,000 Kenya shilling, and you can only hold up 300 Kenya shilling, 300,000 Kenya shillings in your Mpesa account. So, which means the maximum amount is 150 per day. You can withdraw PayPal to Mpesa, and the service will be much more easier for you. So once you have entered your money here, you just hit you click on continue, and that is it. As I have said earlier, for this exercise to be productive to you, you are supposed to make sure that the details of PayPal are supposed to be the same details that your M-Pesa is using. Don't complicate issues. Don't be called Sylvia in PayPal and then the M-Pesa you are called Eunice Swana. It will not accept that transaction. So make sure that if your name is Eunice, also in M-Pesa is supposed to be Eunice. So in the names that you have put in PayPal, the first and last name are supposed to correspond with that one of M-Pesa. I'm giving this as a warning because there are many people who intend to open PayPal account with different names, thinking that they are going to withdraw the cash. It will be very difficult for them. So all you have to do is just follow all these steps that I've given you, and the rest can be easy. Thank you so much for listening to this particular video. Don't forget to subscribe and be part of the family. See you in the next